In today's video, I'll show you how to install a trainer for Assassin's Creed Unity. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Once download done, right click and select vendor and select extract to. Open the extractor folder and double click on the trainer exe and select more info and select run anyway option. Select yes, select OK and launch the game. Once you are in game, press Alt Tab and open the trainer. Select the cheats you like to activate. Kill civilians, fast steal, fast bodies loot, freeze everyone in place. Once you turn on the cheats you like to use, get back to the game and as you can see, freeze everyone in the place. It's working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.